Alrighty traders, so let's have a look at the mining sector in this video right now. And the mining sector right now, guys, is I really truly believe the mining sector, guys, is one of those sectors that is one of those sleeping giants. It's one of those sectors that I've personally have been most people have been focusing on the crypto markets and the AI sectors and the hottest things, right? Not me. What have I been focusing on? If you guys have been following me for the last few years, you guys know I've been all over the mining sector, right? All over gold and silver and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of really good things happening in the mining sector. And one of the things is, guys, I really believe first leg up in a very big bull market. First leg up in a very big bull market. It's breakout and first leg up. And I really truly believe that. Because look at this here, right? For a long, this is the GDXJ here. For a long time, we have done nothing. We're still within that nothing range, right? But guess what is starting to slowly build underneath the surface? Guess what? It's now starting to build what? It's now starting to build that base before we go through the next mining. And to me, guys, it's just too easy when it comes to the mining sector. What do I mean by that? Is that a lot of people, when they're trying to invest in the markets, right? So, but there is a difference between trading and investing, okay? If you're trading the markets, don't be looking at inflation reports and economic data and all that sort of stuff, because that's not how, you don't trade the market based off that, right? No. Whenever you trade the markets, guys, the only way to trade the markets, remember, trading the markets is all about what? Active. You're getting in, you're holding for a few days, for a few weeks, maybe for a few months, and then you're getting out. That's active, right? The only way for you to become successful at that approach is, guess what? Using charts. But, and then guys, and even if you look at the economic data, right? What does that even mean, right? It's like, and this is where a lot of people behind the scenes. Now, a lot of people behind the curve, if you're using like economic data, right? It's like, oh my goodness, economic data look bad, therefore the stock market should go down. You guys realize that no, right? Because what was happening 12 months ago? The stock market crash, you guys get there, right? You guys get it. So the purpose of me saying what I'm saying right now is that the mining sector, this is just too easy, right? What is this too easy? For investing, for the next 5-10 years, booms and bust, right? Booms and bust. We haven't had a mining boom in the last 10 years. I wonder what's coming for the next 10 years. That's pretty common sense, right? Now, from an investing point of view, it's too easy. It's too easy when it comes to just saying, okay, the mining sector is going to have another big mining boom, okay? We're going to go through another big sector like we did back here, all big through here, and then we had a mining crash, and then we've done nothing for 10 years. So this, to me, is probably what's coming new soon. Now guys, I believe the big boom out of the mining sector is probably going to come on the second half of this decade. But it's just too easy, right, guys? It's just too easy. Like, if you think about it, just apply some common sense. But so many people are trying to be like, I'm trying to jump in the Bitcoin market, right? Because I think Bitcoin's going to go to 100,000 or XRP or the AI stocks. Like, that's a lot of thinking, right? It's like, I hope it does. To me, I'm like 99% sure we're going to go through another mining boom over the next 10 or so years. And when we go through the mining boom, what's going to happen to the mining sector? Mining boom, right? You know what I'm saying here, guys? It's like, for you guys that are trying to invest your money, especially if you're investing large amounts of money in the markets, to me, the mining sector is the place to go. Now, looking at the sector, looking at this market through here, look what's happened, guys. We have indeed just broken out of this level through here. So I truly believe that looking at this level through here, this is the start of a very big bull market. Now, The start of a very big bull market. What does that mean? What does that mean in all fairnesses, right? I'm going to squeeze this up. I'm going to show you what this looks like. This is a weekly chart, remember? This is 1 week later. This is 1 week later. This is 1 week later. This is now 3 weeks later, 4 weeks later, 5 weeks later, 6 weeks later, 7 weeks later, 8 weeks later. John said it's a very big bull market starting. This is a bull market, right, guys? Because as you go, everything, even when the market goes down, right, it goes down and then we go up. We go, look at this here, we go down, 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 down. And then this here was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was about 2 months of correct pullback against the downward phase. Right, guys? So whenever I say this is the first leg up in a very big bull market, it is the first leg up, right? Because the legs up and down, up. And especially if you're looking at a weekly chart basis, guys, this here is the sign to say that any big pullback in the mining sector, right, especially on the GDXJ, guys, the GDXJ, oh, I'm telling you what, guys, I'm telling you what, this is too easy, right, guys? This is too easy. Like, think about it. And this is where guys like making money out of the stock market, especially on an investing purposes right now, it could never be any more easier. What is the hard part? I know, I have kids, right? They don't have a hard enough time waiting for 1 hour, let alone 10 years for something, right? Or 4 or 5 years. Like, I don't know when, again, a very big bull market could be starting now. We could have just found the bottom around $30 to $40, and that slowly over the next 10 years makes its way up to the $140, $180, $200 mark, right? That's what I'm seeing through with the mining sector here, with the GDXJ anyway. So let's go look at the SILJ. And the SILJ, again, guys, I really do see this. This is like a very big. This is the first leg up in a very big bull market. Now again, guys, trading the markets now, very, 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 very risky. Trying to go long the markets right now, right? On investing purposes, who cares, right? Who cares? So, but on a trading purposes, what's happening through here? Trading purposes is that we just had a double bottom. We had a very big move up. We may even get a little bit more move up, especially on the SILJ around the $14 level. And then we're probably going to get a very, very, very big correction in the markets, right? A very big correction, nice 50% retracements, possibly even come back down to around the $11 level, and then away we go from there, right? So that's the SILJ, the SIL, same sort of thing, guys. Look what's happened through here, right? Very big closing above this level through here, as you can see, all through there. So this, to me, guys, once again, the mining sector right now is the probably one of the greatest places to be in. As you can see, traders, right, there's so many opportunities around the markets if you just know what you're doing. And again, guys, that's the reason why I give away that free course, first thing in the description, to teach you, right? Because we could see things. Look at this here. This is just, we were doing nothing for quite some time. Now, double bottom, breakout. We're probably going to come back down higher low to start that very big bull movement to the upside. So to me, guys, on a trading purposes, we may get a little bit more upside, especially like even on the SIL, right? We have this major resistance around 40. It's around 35 right now. So we may have a bit more movement to the upside out of this mining sector. But then we're probably going to see a really good maybe for a few weeks or more of a pullback, a correction. But guess what that means, guys? By looking at that level through there, what does that actually mean? That means this. That means we may go up through here, then we get a good pullback, higher low, and then guess what? Then we start to see a really, really, really nice move here. So from a trading purposes, but from an investing point of view, right? If you're trying to buy and hold something for many years, to me, guys, forget Bitcoin, forget the AI sector, forget XRP, because guess what? Mining sector, guys, no one's really focused on the mining sector. Everyone's still focused on crypto. To me, that's a guessing game. For me, guess what, guys? I want to be really, 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 really sure that if I'm going to be investing in something for the next 5 to 10 years, that I'm pretty confident that in the next 10 years, as the cycles heat up, i.e., when we go through the next mining boom, because we haven't had one for 10 years, we're probably going to go for another one in the next 10 years, that I'm actually part of it.